First alert weather alert. Here's meteorologist Taban Sharifi.
Here's a look at our wind speeds this morning. Gusts in Palm Springs to 21 miles per hour. Palm Desert, Cathedral City in the teens, 17 for Yucca Valley. We've seen peak gusts in the surrounding areas nearing 45 miles per hour, and we'll continue to track some gusty conditions through today. So your future winds, the valley floor, looking at those winds staying around 20 miles per hour for our gusts. A little bit stronger, especially as you head out through the pass, Beaumont, Banning, reaching up into the 40s, and then winds will significantly diminish as we carry on into our Sunday night and into our Monday morning. Now, some areas will still pick up on that breeze. A high wind warning does remain in effect through 3 o'clock in the afternoon today through the San Gorgonio Pass, including areas into Desert Hot Springs and the Riverside County Mountains, as well as areas farther off to the west. These winds will be out of the northeast, that classic Santa Ana wind. We're looking at those gusts reaching up to 65 miles per hour, and conditions are going to be extremely dry as well, so fire danger is a little bit more elevated today as well. And when that high wind warning expires, we have a wind advisory that goes into effect and lasts through 3 o'clock in the morning on Monday. So still looking at easterly winds where gusts now up to 45 and 50 miles per hour being possible. So still use caution while driving. This does encompass areas through Desert Hot Springs, through the San Gorgonio Pass and our Riverside County Mountains. So what are we tracking in the upper levels? Well, that trough of low pressure is pushing off to the east. That's what's increasing those winds, but it is going to diminish again very significantly as we head overnight. You saw those future wind gusts. The valley floor really only looking at that breeze for a couple more hours, and then we are going to see much lighter winds. But still a little breezy for some of us as we go in through our Monday morning. Temperatures staying right near our average. As we head into Tuesday, look at what we're tracking. This trough of low pressure is dipping from the north. It's going to dip south, and then it's going to transition east, and that is going to bring some significant moisture. So we are tracking the chance to see some rain as we head into Wednesday night, specifically as this trough pushes over Southern California. So we'll continue to track all those changes and keep you up to date on any rain chances headed our way this week. Right now, those temperatures are starting off in the 50s, so a nice and mild start. If you want to head out, go on that morning walk, a little bit breezy, but overall comfortable for us on the valley floor. Again, those gustier winds are for our more wind-prone areas. So that first alert, weather alert day in effect today, especially if you're traveling out of the area. Keep in mind, again, blowing sand, blowing dust could impact visibility, could also impact our air quality, looking at the potential for unhealthy for sensitive groups. We'll continue to see those temperatures warm as we head in through the middle of the week. Wednesday is the day we're tracking some of those chances for rain, and then we'll see those temperatures make their way into the 80s by next week.